Anniversary, Apos!
Hello! Hello, Apos! Good evening! Happy anniversary sa inyong lahat! And we're glad na nakaabot kayo sa ganitong taon. God is faithful. Then, we invite you. Inimbita ka namin na kayo na to join, come visit us in this school. And at the same time, come and be part of the discipleship group and continue. Be strong and always be faithful to the Lord. And happy anniversary ulit and hope to see you here soon. So, God bless. Bye.
Hi, Apos! Gandang gabi. Happy 4th year anniversary and continue serving God. At saka excited lang kami na pumunta kayo dito. So, kita-kits na lang dito. Bye-bye!
Hi! Happy 4th year anniversary, Apos. This is Herbie Gonzalez from Taytay First Church of the Nazarene representing Jericho. God bless!
Good evening po, pinagablahin mo tanan. Happy 4th year anniversary. Imagine, for 4 years, God has been so faithful sa akin. And I thank the Lord for this ministry, for this all for our Savior, na ginamit niya sa akin para mabago ako inside and out. And thank God for those persons, for the people na ginamit niya para mabago ako. And for this year, I do hope na maging strong pa tayo and marami pa tayo magdala sa Panginoon. And syempre, hindi ko naman kaya na makasama ngayon, pero I thank God kasi in my heart, you're always in my prayer. And I do hope na very soon we'll meet you. Kaupalit akong mga classmates,